Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian and you guessed it, we got another video for you. Alright, so on today's video we're going to show you how to reset the black drum chip on a Konica 754 C754. This works on black and white and color. So basically you're gonna see here that the drum unit is completely empty, but the drum is still good. So we're just gonna go ahead and reset the counter. And that's pretty easy. It's just a chip that you replace. So that's gonna get us full bars again. And like I said, you want to do this if the machine is telling you to change the drum, but you know that the drum is still pretty good. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and power down the copier. Just open up the front door and turn off the main power switch you see there. Then you want to remove the waste toner bottle by pressing the left and right blue tabs. And then there's one screw at the very top here that I'm going to remove, and sometimes there's one at the bottom as well, and that's the screw there that I removed. I already loosened it up, but just make sure that's loose and the developing unit should pop out. Now some units have an orange clip here that you will need to remove as well. If that's there, remove the screw and then the developing unit and drum will slide right out. Okay, so there's our drum unit. It's right there up front, really easy to access. Now go ahead and press the left and right gray tabs like you're seeing I'm doing here. Press them both in at the same time and lift up. Okay, now that we got the drum out, at the bottom right hand side there where I'm pointing to, that's where the chip is, and that's what we'll be replacing. While doing this, just make sure you cover the drum up with something. You just want to make sure not too much light hits the drum. Okay, now you're going to want to grab a 000 screwdriver. So make sure it's a really small, thin head Phillips screwdriver. I'm using a 000, and it works perfectly fine. And make sure you brace the unit, and then go ahead and unscrew. Alright, and just like that, the chip comes out. Okay, now we'll open the packaging and place our new chip in. Okay, new chip is in. It can only go one way. Just make sure that those three copper plates are facing the same direction that it was when you came out. And that's how it looks there. Should look just like that. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the paper off. Now right before we put the drum back on, I'm noticing a little bit of color mixing. Unit mag roller. Okay, now we're gonna slide the drum right back in. Just make sure the left and right sides are clamped all the way down, and then slide the unit back in. Make sure to tighten the one bolt or possibly two, depending on what you have. Replace the waste toner bottle again and power the copier on. Alright, now you'll wait for the copier to come to ready to copy. Select utility, check consumable life, and you'll see that the drum unit is completely full again. just like it's brand new. Now after this, make sure you'll want to run gradation again, just to make sure that your copies come back to life. Alright, so we'll do a test page here just to make sure. Yep, and there we go. Everything is back. The copier thinks that we have a brand new drum, and the customer's happy. We're ready to go. Alright, you guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.